guys, I hope you're doing well. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on the Fairywill electric toothbrush, and I want to share with you guys my first impressions on it. So I love the idea of having an electric toothbrush. My dentist actually recommended me to start using an electric one over a manual toothbrush. So I'm really excited to try this one. It says it has smart timer, 5 option modes, and it has long-lasting battery. So let me open so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, everything comes nicely packaged. So I'm gonna open this box right here first. It's a very nice box. I feel like I'm opening an iPhone. So here it is. Okay, wow. It's a very nice case. I love it. So here we have the base. So this is what the base looks like. It has this on and off button right here, and you have the 5 option modes right here in the front. So the options are white, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage. It also has a 2-minute timer, and every 30 seconds it's gonna pause to remind you to start brushing a different section. So that sounds pretty nice, and it fits right here. The next box I'm gonna open is this one. So here we have the brush heads, and we have 4 in this box. They're all individually wrapped. Now this box, there is a tongue scraper. There's actually 2 that come in this box. And in the last box, we have the charger. So it's a USB charger. And it plugs in at the bottom. So there you go. You also have the manual in the box. So you have all the information you need. So I'm gonna pop this brush head on, and I'm gonna brush my teeth right now and share with you guys my thoughts. So guys, it was a little ticklish in the beginning, but I really enjoyed it. I love that it has different option modes. I am really impressed by how it looks, and I love that they send it with the case too. And I love that it comes with multiple brush heads too. That is very helpful, and I feel like it's great for the price. So I will link this toothbrush down below if you guys are interested. And if you tried this product before, let me know how you like it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!